Minista munene Musalia Mudavadi norite rwangirwa kuthurania UGOTI KIRI gutonya witiko kira AKENYA kenda Kenya bagita UGOTI na WIIRU. Musalia akiaria kagitaga gwikirwa thumbi kwa maabisa ba beru bo UGOTI ntere cia Uasin Gishu augite thirikari na ntaira injeru cia kuthurania UGOTI kenda gukinyaniria kiroto kiayo.
Mubango.
As tax officers, you will be expected to enforce tax compliance, but even as you engage in revenue collection and sealing leakages, you must also be respectful of the taxpayers. Understand them and give them room to make good. This is especially important in your relationship with our informal sector. Understand the flow of their revenue streams and help them organize themselves to operate within the law. They are your valued patrons, not criminals. Remember the lessons you learned, among them that effective revenue mobilization is about facilitating income-generating businesses. Help business comply with their tax obligations through simplification of processes and providing a steady and predictable business environment. A business-friendly approach is what you are obligated to.
This is the first time, and it is an important step in terms of the responsibilities that you are going to take up. You have our great support in your future work, but you also have our great support in the reward system that we have to make sure that it reflects the totality of the KRA. Your work in future is going to be very, very important, and I therefore encourage you to serve the country with utmost dedication and honor. And also, it's going to be very, very important to uphold your values that have been imparted to you throughout this training. I'm aware that this training may not have been optimal, it could have been longer than it is, but it becomes the first step of a continuous training process that will end up giving you more equipment, more capability, and more capacity.
Emerging the best training in the security training.